Want slimmer thighs in just 7 days? You're in the right place. No equipment, no gym, just you and 10 minutes a day. Let's crush stubborn thigh fat together right from your room one. Curtsy lunges, 30 seconds. Start with curtsy lunges. This targets your inner thighs, glutes, and hips while improving balance. Step one leg diagonally behind you and lunge down. Feel the burn. Rest, 5 seconds. Frog press, 30 seconds. Lie down, press your heels together, and push your legs out like a frog. It's amazing for inner thighs and lower belly. Rest, 5 seconds, 3. Glute kickback, left leg, 30 seconds. Time to lift and shape. Get on all fours. Kick your left leg back and up. Focus on squeezing your glutes and thighs.
If you want a taste, come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.
Rest, 5 seconds. 4. Glute kickback, right leg, 30 seconds. Now switch sides. Push that right leg back. This builds your lower body while tightening thigh fat.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign.
Rest, 5 seconds. 5. Side leg circles, left, 30 seconds. Lie on your side, lift your left leg and draw small circles. It isolates your thigh muscles for toning.
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, all this my town. If I want that
Rest,
shit,
5
then I'll get it
seconds.
right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits, some loose shit, a stupid myth.
6. Side leg circles, right, 30 seconds. Same move, right side now. Keep your core engaged and your leg controlled.
Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Rest, 5 seconds, 7. Curtsy lunges, again, 30 seconds. Let's finish strong with another round of curtsy lunges. Double the impact, double the confidence. Do this circuit daily for 7 days, and don't forget, consistency beats perfection. You'll feel lighter, stronger, and more confident each day. Want faster results? Join our Telegram channel right now to grab your free diet plan and fat loss guide. It's waiting just for you. Link is in the description below. Don't miss this chance to level up your body. Like this video, then drop a comment saying, "Day 1 done." And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more effective workouts every week. Let's glow up together.